Above the law. You're not above the law. For parking in the red zone, I'd like to see that. Has nothing to say about parking in a red zone. What's your name and ID number?
I don't need to tell you that, sir.
You're a public official. You do have to tell me that.
I don't.
It's in your policy to identify yourself when asked from the public.
Should I call the cops? I will.
Go right ahead.
Okay.
I'm doing public photography in the public. You're the one parked in the red zone, not me. I'm the one that obeys the law, not you. Make sure you tell them there's a man here with a camera doing public photography. Tell the truth, it's on camera.
I know, but you're harassing.
I'm not harassing you, you're a public official.
You're putting a camera in my face.
I am not.
It's directly in my lane.
Because it's pointed at you doesn't mean it's in your face.
It's my... I'm just minding my business.
Parked in a red zone, getting paid by the tax dollar. That doesn't say anything about parking illegally. That doesn't give you rights to break the law.
I'm calling the cops.
Go right ahead. I'm not the one breaking the law. You are. Make sure you call the non-emergency number. Six 1-9-531-2065 is a non-emergency number. So you're refusing to ID. How can I file a complaint when you refuse to ID?
ID you.
What's your name and your ID number?
You don't need it.
Yes, I do.
No.
Let me see that ID again, please. So you're refusing to ID. You know, I'm disabled and you're required to ID yourself audibly, verbally. That's a federal offense. Yet you don't care about the law because I'm a fish and wildlife person. I get my car washed at Wash and Go too. You don't got your little smelly thing in there? Boy, black is just not a good color for keeping clean. I had a black car once. Too bad you weren't civil. I wouldn't have gave you a hard time.
I was being civil. You're the one yelling.
You're
at
still
me.
refusing to ID.
I don't need to give you my name.
Yes, you do. You're a public official. You're a servant.
What are you going to do with
It's
my
in your.
name?
I'm going to file a complaint.
Okay.
So I need your name and your ID number. And you're still refusing to ID yourself. That shows your professionalism or lack of. You're proud of being ignorant, aren't you?
Ignorance, really.
Yes, you don't even follow your own policies. That little whiny here is those remote control airplanes. It's pretty cool. I record them all the time. Not as popular as this video will be. Thought you were calling the Popo.
I am. They have a lot of calls for the non-emergency line.
Have you ever watched boat ramp videos? They do a bunch of good ones in Florida. I wave, they wave back. Yeah, they're pretty fun to watch. You know, the wannabe cops were just here training in their parking enforcement cars.
Yeah, he came by a couple times.
Yeah, and I walked right up to them with my camera. They said nothing.
He
Because,
didn't say anything to me.
because I have the Constitution of the United States on my side.
You're allowed to say whatever you want.
Yes, I am. I'm allowed to film too. Well, record. I don't use film. That was 20 years ago. I stopped using film. Nice and straight. Like a pro. Can you even recite the First Amendment? Do you know what's the 5 elements in it? Oh, see? Ignorant. I have a copy right here. You're not worthy. If you want to see a copy, you can go to the Library of Congress. That would be east of here, if you're curious. Do you know which way north is? I doubt it. You don't even know the First Amendment. Oh. Forget the drain plug? What? Well, if you're calling the cops, I can't leave. I'm going to have to wait for them.
If I move, would you leave me alone?
Well, if you went and parked at a legal spot, yeah.
Yeah, you'll leave me alone.
I might. You're still a public official working in your capacity. I'd have every right to record you.
No, it's fine.
Well, it doesn't appear it
At
is.
this point, it's harassment, though.
No, it's not.
It is, 'cause you won't
No,
leave
it's
me
not. A
alone.
government employee cannot be harassed by the public. Lower the laws.
We have rights too, you know?
No, you gave up those rights when you put that badge on.
Oh, okay.
Yes, learn the law.
I'm still a human, man.
With that,
Just like you.
When you clock out, you have rights. When you're on the clock, you have policies.
Alright, so if I move, you'll leave me alone.
I'm not going to chase you around to a legal spot where I park in a legal spot.
I got you.
Yes.
Alright, I'll pack it up.
Right. And you don't park here in the future.
Alright,
It's very simple. Red zone.
I got you. Ready to get it out?
Not yet.
Well, I have to go get some stuff.
I'm not stopping you. You haven't done your job yet. Let's see what else I could look at in here.
Alright, I'm leaving.
You should have done that when I first said you're parked in a red zone.
I'm allowed to be here.
No, you're not. You're not above the law.
Alright, well, have a nice one. Alright.
Yeah, and I hope your family gets treated the way you treat people.
Very fun. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Fuck you. R0473. There we go. I was waiting for that. Now check this out. Fiesta Island allows horses